Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated the Babies Critical Care Unit, comprising of a Special Newborn Care Unit, the SNCU, the Neonatal Intensive Care Unit, the NICU, and the Maternal and Newborn Care Unit, or MNCU, at the Ganesh Government Maternal and Child Health Hospital in Shillong on the 14th of August 2024. The event was attended by Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdo, the Principal Secretary of Health Sampat Kumar, the Commissioner and Secretary of Health Department Dr. Joram Beda, and senior health department officials. The newly inaugurated unit, the first of its kind in a government hospital in Meghalaya, will serve high-risk pregnant women and newborns requiring specialized care. The 30-bedded SNCU NICU complex, which became operational on the 1st of May this year, was funded by resources generated from the PMJAY MHIS scheme. It includes advanced NICU beds, a 10-bedded maternal and newborn care unit, and specialized equipment funded by the MMDSL. Additional staffing support has been provided by the Directorate of Health Services MI. During the inauguration, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma emphasized the importance of human effort in transforming healthcare, noting that while investments in infrastructure and equipment are vital, it is the dedication of the healthcare teams that drives real change. He commended the team at Ganesh Hospital for the transformative work and urged upon other health centers in the state to draw inspiration from their efforts. He also spoke about the government's initiatives to improve accommodation for medical staff, particularly in rural areas, and encouraged the staff at Ganesh Hospital to remain motivated by their purpose in saving lives.
Steps for the hospital for improving quality care.
We don't, of course, we do agree that the challenges are very huge, and therefore it's not that we can change everything in one go. But as we move along, like many of the doctors were mentioning, and like we saw in the video today, that 2017, how the situation was, and today as you move along, you've seen Ganesh Hospital now completely transformed, and I'm sure many more things to be done. So similarly, every long journey starts with few steps, and therefore I just want to assure you that we will be there along this journey to ensure that we are able to increase and improve the overall health services and the quality of the health services in our state. To conclude, I don't have to say this to you, but normally I say this to all the people whenever I meet our team, whether it's from the health department or the farmers, agriculture department, or any department. I always encourage our staff and our team to be always driven by some sense of purpose to help the people of the state and not just look at your job as a duty. And the beauty in enjoying one's work is like none other. And the satisfaction in seeing, just today I of course entered the room where the children and the babies were kept, and of course I have not experienced very emotional moments, but just entering that particular room to see those babies and their lives being saved, and the difference that this particular unit and all of you are having in saving the lives of these children, I think must be one of the most satisfying moments for you every time you're able to save that one life. And I think that is what should drive you and drive each one of us in every effort that we try to do and every work that we try to do. And that's, I think, the key to enjoying what you do and to making it meaningful for you and to be able to really lead a life with some kind of a strong purpose in front of you. And that is very important in whatever walk of life that you are in. And I urge all our staff and our team to always be guided by that sense of satisfaction and that purpose in your life.
Meghalaya's Health Minister Dr. M. Lingdor, speaking at the event, reiterated the government's commitment to ensuring that every patient, particularly children, receives the best care, including access to cashless treatment. She also mentioned ongoing efforts to address issues faced by contractual health staff and called upon doctors from the state to return and serve their communities, describing the new baby's critical care unit as a beacon of hope for the state's citizens.
Because of your dedicated services to ensure that today the miracle ward that the Honorable Chief Minister and I just passed through stands testimony to the dedication and the intended dream.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.